Hi everyone, this is Clarence from Airbrush. Today I'm going to introduce you our unique Cordless Airbrush kit, GM80s. We have three colors for you to choose: the blue one, the black one, and the red one. Compared with common portable airbrush kit on the market, we have many advantages. Firstly, the pressure. On the market, most portable compressor, the pressure is only around 20 to 22 psi. But for our rechargeable compressor, the pressure is 30 to 32 psi. With higher pressure, you can easily spray heavier paint or foundation or liquid. The second advantage is that the airbrush is double action. With double action airbrush, we can control both the air and the paint. Now let's have a test. Firstly, press the switch on button. Push the trigger downward. You can see just air come out. No water come out. Then pull trigger backward slowly. There will be air come out. This is double action airbrush. We can control air and the paint at the same time. Another advantage is that our compressor is auto start and stop. What's the meaning? When I push the trigger downward, the compressor will start or turn on automatically, and when I release the trigger, it will stop or turn off automatically. Now you can see the compressor is not working. When I push the trigger downward, there will be air come out, and the compressor is working. Pull the trigger backward, there will be water come out. The compressor is working, and release my finger, the compressor will stop automatically. So with this design, you can save much energy when using. And our another unique function is that we provide you two connection modes. Firstly, in this connection mode, you can connect compressor with the airbrush directly, like this way. If you don't like these connection modes, you have another choice. We also support air hose. We can connect the airbrush with the compressor through air hose. Like this way, right? Also push the switch on button. Now have a test. Push the trigger downward. Just the air come out, right? And the pull trigger backward slowly. You can see the water will come out. Release my finger. The compressor will stop automatically. So with air hose connection, the compressor is also auto start and stop. Now we are the only one manufacturer who can make this function in reality. If you don't like our airbrush pen, you can use your own airbrush pen. With this connection, the compressor can connect with any airbrush. The red one, we can also test. If you don't like this airbrush pen, you can also use your own airbrush. For example, this one, we can also connect with it. Like this. Press the switch on button. With this airbrush, it's also double action. You can see just air come out, no water come out. Then pull trigger backwards. You can see. Release my finger, stop automatically. If you don't like this connection, you can also use the air hose. For example, this connection. And this way. Press the switch on button. You can see just air come out. Then you can see release my finger, it will stop automatically. Okay, this connection is very convenient. You can put a compressor in your pocket or in your bag, and you just need to hold the airbrush to paint. You don't need to hold the airbrush and the compressor together, right? Or if you don't like this airbrush, you can also connect our compressor with any other airbrush, like this one, right? You can see with the handle, it's very convenient. Release my finger, compressor will stop automatically. Push it backward, compressor will turn on. It's very convenient for barbers, for paint cars, paint your helmet, right? Okay, and now look at here. This is a USB charging hole. It takes 1.5 hours to fully charge the battery, and after fully charged, it can work 40 to 60 minutes. And now we are also selling it on Amazon. This type, if you are in the US, you can buy it on Amazon directly. Just search iBeauty Airbrush. And if you want to resell or be our agent, just send me a message. We can discuss some more details. Thank you.